was really a desperate time in my life. You know, we had no money. I tried mugging old ladies, but I got hit in the groin with a crutch. I didn't know what to do. I tried counterfeiting for a while. You know, I just got the plates all fouled up and everything. Lincoln came out smoking a cigarette. And I robbed a butcher shop. That was the best I could do. I got away with 116 veal cutlets. Then I had to go out and rob a tremendous amount of breading.
What do you think you're doing? Holding up the building? Come on!
A mad killer, like the angel of death, stalks his next victim.
You're here because you're dead, Mr. Black.
The hell I am!